Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to shuffle seed emails on InboxAlly app. Before we begin, I'd love to say it's good practice when you're using an InboxAlly app to shuffle your seed emails once a month. And then while you're shuffling it gives you a fresh seed of inboxes to monitor your deliverability. So we do recommend to shuffle them once a month. So here, you're just going to start with your dashboard and you're going to find a tab called Seed Emails. And once you click this tab, you can see you've got your seed emails here. In my account, I've got 5,000 seed emails, and there's this option to download them. That's where you download your seed emails. If you want to shuffle them, you go ahead and click Manage Seed Emails. Your seed emails were last updated on this date. So here you've got a couple of options. You can either keep the current distribution or you can do custom distribution. So if I keep the current distribution, which is like how much I have in Gmail, Yahoo, blah, 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 you can shuffle by percentage. So you can shuffle all of them with the distribution that you have, or you can pick a specific one, like I just want to shuffle 65% or 50%. Or you go into, I want to shuffle all of them 100%. You can also adjust by email provider that I just want to shuffle Hotmail seed emails, but the rest are fine. So you can also do that. So it's quite customizable. The second thing is to do custom distribution. So in case you are not happy with the distribution itself, you want to, like here, I have no Yahoo seed emails to begin with. So I'm going to do 5% for Yahoo and 5% for Outlook and then shuffle them. But for now, I'm just going to keep the current distribution and I'm going to click Update Distribution and Shuffle Seed Emails. And click Yes. And that's it. It says Seed Shuffle triggered successfully. Once you go in to check your seed email shuffle, it will show you that it needs approximately 30 minutes to do the shuffle. So just come back in 30 minutes and you should have the new list ready to download. I did want to mention that there is some fluctuation to be expected in inbox placement just a day after the shuffle. Also, remember to remove the old seeds from your sending system and make sure the new seeds are added within 24 hours after the shuffle. That's it. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy InboxAllying!